Video number 2, the process. In this video, we're going to be talking all about the process. Hey, welcome back to the video series, The 9 Most Popular Questions Asked When Buying a Home. In this video, we'll be explaining what is the process. Hi, my name is Brian Feeney. I'm sales representative at eXp Realty Canada, also known as Preaching Realtor for those of you who follow me on TikTok. I've been selling homes in the Durham region and Toronto area for over 35 plus years. Oh, before I begin, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and hit that notification button to get the updates to this series. The process for buying a home in Ontario involves several steps. Step 1 would be to find a realtor. Step 2 would be obtain a mortgage pre-approval. This is different from a commitment. Consult with a mortgage lender to determine the mortgage amount you qualify for and receive a pre-approval. This will help you determine your budget. Number 3, choose the right location. This would involve researching areas that would suit your particular needs. Number 4, view properties. Visit potential homes with your agent. Evaluate each property based on your needs and preferences. Number 5, make an offer. Submit an offer to purchase, including any conditions such as financing, home inspection through your agent. Number 6, secure financing. Finalize your mortgage application with your lender, provide necessary documentation, and locking in your mortgage rate. Number 7, complete due diligence. Fulfill any conditions in your offer, such as conducting a home inspection or obtaining a property appraisal. Number 8 is removing the conditions. If you're satisfied with all the results of the due diligence, you remove your conditions from your offer, making it a firm agreement. And number 9, hire a real estate lawyer to engage in all of your legal documents, title search, and registration of the property. Number 10, prepare for closing. Arrange for utility transfers, home insurance, and moving logistics. Number 11 is closing day. Your lawyer will complete the transaction, transferring the funds of ownership to finalize the purchase. Number 12, remember to account for costs associated with buying a home, such as land transfer tax, home inspection fees, legal fees, and moving costs. In the next video, we'll discuss each of these steps in more detail. Thank you for watching.